Let me introduce you to the Scrappy Scraper, a cardboard scraper that is really different from anything else on the market. Why is it different? There's no plastics and there's no metal sharp bits. Why use cardboard for a barbecue scraper? Well, let me explain. So it'll instantly conform to your grill. It will absorb the grease. It allows you to scrape your grill just as well as any other barbecue scraper. You can steam clean your grill with water to get it really clean. It will also allow you to put oil on your barbecue so that it seasons it so your food doesn't stick. It is made from almost 85% recycled material and it's 100% recyclable. It's made with non-toxic ink. It is disposable. You're removing the grime off your grill and you're not reintroducing those harmful bacteria back onto your barbecue. It's time to upgrade your grilling game. It's time for Scrappy Scraper.